How to fix Roblox crashing. So if you want to fix your Roblox crashing problem, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Windows. Just click on your Windows and go with the restart option. Once you've restarted your PC or your laptop, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you need to do is just go with the Roblox launcher. So search for Roblox launcher and you can right click on it and you will have run as administrator option. So you just need simply go with run as administrator. Once you click on it, then your problem might be fixed. You need to just go with yes if it asks you something. And once you run it as an administrator, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to search for Roblox application and go with the app settings. Under the app settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you will have the terminate section. You can just simply click on terminate, wait for a few seconds till it loads, and then go with repair. And after that, wait for a few seconds again, and then you need to go with reset. And once you've done this, you can relaunch your Roblox, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go and uninstall the application. Once you uninstall it, you can again install it from your browser or your Microsoft Store, and after installing, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with the task manager. Right click on your task manager, taskbar, and then go with the task manager and search for the Roblox. And if you have Roblox running right here, then you just need simply right click on it and you need to end the task. Once you end the task of your Roblox, then you will be able to uninstall the application. Now, after that, what you need to do is just simply go with the Windows icon, right click on it, and you will have run option. Just click on run, and here you need to enter percentage temp percentage and hit the enter. Now here you will have all of the temporary files. What you can do is you can just simply go and press Ctrl A, which will select all of the files, and hit the delete option, which is on the upper left. Wait for a few seconds and click on do this for all current items and then go with skip, and it will remove all of the temporary files that you have on your PC or your laptop. And once you've done with it, now you need to again right click on your Windows, go with run, and now you need to enter percentage local app data percentage and hit the enter, and it will take you to this kind of interface. And here you can simply scroll down and then find the Roblox option. So you just need simply go with the Roblox, and once you find the Roblox, which is right here, you just need simply delete this file, also permanently delete these files before installing your Roblox. So once you've deleted all of these files permanently, then you can go and install it and your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.